Now hear the word of the Lord from the book of Ezra.
I was 26 years old, waiting in a doctor's office, shocked, angry, and feeling very much alone. God met me within those gray walls and sat with me, saying, "You don't have to do this by yourself."
I was 18 years old in my car, living a lifestyle that God never intended for me and that I didn't even recognize. And in that parking lot, the Lord saw me and opened my eyes and gave me breath in a life that was suffocating me.
Awake once again in the middle of the night, God met me in a recliner in the darkness that sat in the corner of my room, and there he whispered to me, "Trust me."
Seven years ago, I was running ragged, keeping up with a job, cooking, cleaning, laundry, and caring for a child, and for my wife, who was racked with pain every hour of every day and losing her ability to work or even sleep. God met me standing with a group of people praying over her and asking one last time, "God, are you going to heal her?" Suddenly in my mind's eye, I saw God's throne room open up, and I broke down as he declared, "It's time." And I heard a great roar of victory.
I was 19 years old, and the career that I had chosen to study in college was no longer a passion of mine. I didn't know what direction to go in. Late one night, in a dimly lit chapel, God met me. I felt the Lord's presence flood over me and said yes to the new career path that he was guiding me into.
I was 22 years old, ashamed and embarrassed, and ready to leave because of the hurt and the mess that my decisions had caused. God met me as I walked into my home. I fell to my knees on the wood floor in the entryway and wept. And God held me and said, "Stay."
In early autumn, when the Israelites had settled in their towns, all the people assembled in Jerusalem with a unified purpose. Then Jeshua joined his fellow priests and Zerubbabel with his family in rebuilding the altar of the God of Israel. They wanted to sacrifice burnt offerings on it as instructed in the law of Moses. Even though the people were afraid of the local residents, they rebuilt the altar at its old site. And then each morning and evening, they offered up burnt offerings on it to the Lord. They celebrated the Festival of Shelters and made the number of burnt offerings specified for each day of that. And they offered regular burnt offerings and the offerings prescribed for the new month celebrations and the annual festivals. And the people also gave voluntary offerings to the Lord. And they did all of this before they had even started to lay the foundation of the Lord's temple, the word of the Lord.